Everyone, it's Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a second way to take screenshots on your Windows PC. So if we go to search right here, go to the on-screen keyboard. I'm just going to open this up. And you want to press Shift on your keyboard, and then the Windows button, and then S. And it will open this option up. And we can go to screenshots on the top, or we can go to video clips right here. You can decide which one you want. And then snipping area. So just highlight the screenshot area you want to take, and it'll take a picture. And then we can click on the snipping option in the bottom right when it opens up. And you can see the picture I took. Then you can go to the three little dots and go to Open Screenshot Location. And here's where all my screenshots are saved right here. And I can find them. So just be quick when you take a screenshot and click on the little box that appears. So if I do it again, you can also hit the Print SCR button on your keyboard. And then open this up. And then you can see all the different options for editing those. Now you can also right click on and copy it and paste it somewhere else if you want. So on your keyboard also, there is a little button called Print Scan Print Screen. One of those options, PRT, SCR, or SCN, depending on your keyboard. For some reason, mine is Print Screen on my keyboard, and on here it's Print Scan or something. I don't know, weird. But look at that as an option that will also take a screenshot.